Welcome to Curiox, where curiosity meets its darkest limits. Throughout history, scientists have pushed boundaries in the name of discovery. But sometimes, those boundaries were crossed. Today, we're revealing experiments so extreme, so disturbing, that they force the world to question how far science should be allowed to go. In 1971, volunteers were assigned roles as guards and prisoners in a fake prison. Within days, guards became abusive, and prisoners showed signs of emotional breakdown. The experiment was supposed to last 2 weeks, but was stopped after 6 days. It revealed how quickly ordinary people can adopt cruelty when given power, and how fragile morality becomes under authority. Participants were instructed to deliver electric shocks to another person for wrong answers. Unknown to them, the shocks were fake, but the authority ordering them felt real. Over 60% continued to the highest voltage simply because they were told to. The experiment exposed how easily people obey authority, even when it conflicts with conscience. For 40 years, hundreds of African American men with syphilis were observed without being treated, even after a cure existed. Researchers wanted to see how the disease progressed naturally. Many died, others infected their families. This experiment became a symbol of medical racism and ethical failure in science. A baby named Albert was deliberately conditioned to fear harmless objects like rats and toys. Scientists wanted to prove fear could be learned. The child was never deconditioned, leaving unknown long-term psychological effects. It showed that emotions could be engineered, but at an unacceptable human cost. The CIA secretly experimented with mind control using drugs, hypnosis, and psychological torture. Many subjects never consented and suffered permanent damage. When exposed, the project shocked the world. It proved governments were willing to sacrifice individuals in the pursuit of control. During the Cold War, patients and civilians were exposed to radioactive materials without consent. Scientists wanted to study radiation effects. Many developed cancer or died. These experiments crossed a line where scientific curiosity ignored basic human rights. During the mid-20th century, Soviet scientists conducted shocking experiments attempting to transplant the heads of dogs onto other bodies. In several cases, the animals survived for hours or even days, responding to sounds and movement. These experiments were meant to explore the limits of surgery and survival. Instead, they raised horrifying questions about identity, consciousness, and whether science should ever cross certain moral boundaries. In the mid-1900s, scientists attempted to change human behavior using aversion therapy. Patients were exposed to intense pain, electric shocks, or nausea-inducing drugs to eliminate unwanted thoughts or behaviors. While some short-term effects were observed, many subjects suffered long-lasting psychological trauma. These experiments proved that manipulating the human mind can cause damage far deeper than anyone expected. Scientists once believed sleep deprivation could unlock hidden mental abilities. In controlled experiments, participants were kept awake for days or even weeks. Instead of gaining clarity, subjects experienced hallucinations, memory loss, paranoia, and emotional collapse. Some began to lose their sense of reality entirely. These experiments proved that sleep is not a luxury. It's a biological necessity that protects the mind from breaking apart. Behind closed doors, scientists attempted to clone human embryos in the name of medical progress. Many embryos failed to develop properly, resulting in severe abnormalities. Ethical concerns exploded as questions arose about identity, rights, and the definition of life itself. These experiments were halted or buried in secrecy, proving that just because science can do something doesn't mean it should. Science has the power to change the world, but when curiosity ignores ethics, the consequences can be terrifying. Which of these experiments disturbed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you want to explore the hidden side of science, like, subscribe, and stay curious with Curiox.